All right, guys, check this out. You are looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This is solid 925 sterling silver. It is the diamond cuts with the diamond dust finish. As you can see there, it's beautiful, nice shine to it. It is 8 on top and 10 on the bottom. Handmade for a perfect fit. This is designed to fit perfectly. Snaps right on the teeth. Here's the back side. Just snaps right on, guys. Now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. Quality handmade work. Made by hand, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.